Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey and I'm from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and we do professional home organizing here in the Twin Cities in Minnesota. Today I want to talk about when you are updating your wardrobe, your closet, and you've got hanging items. A lot of people have plastic hangers, which is fine. But if you feel that you are busting a bit at the seams and you need more space, I'm gonna tell you that the best thing you can do is swap out your hangers for thin hangers. It really makes all the difference. I mean, they use up literally a fraction of the space. One that I really love, actually, and I think this is somewhat new, this is from the Container Store, and it's a thin hanger, but it's wooden. So this is really nice, and it has these etched out corners where, you know, if you want to hang some tank tops from there or some summer dresses, these can be really, really great. Plus they look aesthetically, they look amazing. So I just wanted to get on here today to say my tip is, if you have not swapped out for thin hangers yet, it will look amazing and it will just increase the amount of space and that you can now store your clothes. So I highly, highly recommend that if you haven't made that swap yet. We do that a lot to conserve space and just kind of create uniformity in a closet, because sometimes we get different hangers, different styles, different colors, and it can look a bit chaotic. And it's really nice to just have those nice uniform hangers. Plus, it is a pretty cheap swap out. It makes a huge difference. So anyway, I would love to hear how it goes for you. Let me know how it goes in the comments. And as always, I'll see you next week for more Just the Tip.